Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. To all my fellow workers, GCSTEM, this Royal Commission project. Today we received the instruction from our client, Royal Commission Safety Manager, that all of us, we need to wear the cloth face cover and face mask to prevent spreading of COVID-19 to all our colleagues, workers, and people around us. So now I would like to demonstrate how to wear properly the cloth face cover and face mask, and also the hand gloves, and also more awareness how to prevent the COVID-19 while we are working in our project site. So now I have cloth face cover, I have face mask and hand gloves. So now I would like to wear first the face mask. Okay, the second is the cloth face cover. Why I wear the face mask first? Because to fit around the face mask. So now we are completely now wearing the face cover. What is the purpose? Why our client giving us instruction to wear the face cover? The purpose is to avoid direct touching in our skin and also touching our nose and our mouth while we are working or moving, because at any time without our knowing we can touch at any time. That's why that is the purpose of the cloth face cover. So now we are wearing hand gloves now. So this is the PPE before we come out from our room or our home. Then before we enter the bus, our nurse or representative from medical team were taking the body screening to all of us to make sure that we are safe and healthy. This body screening is to make sure that we are out of the 4 symptoms of COVID-19. But if we have these 4 symptoms, I would like to advise to everyone to keep and stay your room or your home. Do not go outside. You need to call directly to the nurse and the safety manager. So now, what are the 4 symptoms as suspected of COVID-19? The 4 symptoms of COVID-19, the first one is you have high temperature, average of 37.8. So meaning you have fever. That is the number 1. Number 2, you have sore throat. So what is sore throat? You feel pain on your throat. So that is the second. The third, you have dry cough or sneezing. So meaning you have this one. That is the number 3 of symptoms of COVID-19. And the fourth is short of breathing. So if you are not breathing properly, like this, so meaning you have symptoms of COVID-19. So, to advise to all of us to do not spread your symptoms to another, you need to keep your room. Stay your room, stay your home. So that is the symptoms of COVID-19. So now, if we are going to the site, we need to make sure that we will wear PPE. Okay? Before the start of our work. And we have hand gloves, right? So we need to wear also the hand gloves for work. Now we are wearing now hand gloves for work. Okay, now we can start now our work. Without this one, mask, PPE, we cannot start the work. Now we need to implement the social distancing, which is 2 meters apart from our colleague or our co-workers. So how? So make sure that while you are working, you need to remind always our co-worker, oh, keep away, keep distance, 2 meters. Do not allow to have horseplaying or joking. Again, to prevent the spreading of COVID-19, start from us, start from ourselves. It's not by the safety manager or the medical team, the doctor, or any else, to prevent the spreading of COVID-19 from us. If we have symptoms this one, if we are not feeling well, make sure you will report immediately to the safety manager and the nurse so that we can separate you in the room, and then we will send you in other room alone to avoid the spreading to other person. So I hope this video, it will be clear and understand that we will make serious and we will continue to work and will be safe. We'll keep our family safe and our colleagues safe and also our company safe. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.